Astro Triggers is a wonderful handbook that tells you exactly about to trigger the deepest love obsession right into your man's heart. It tells you how to make your man chase you for life so deeply that he wouldn't even think about other women. No, it is not hypnotism. It is all related to astrology. This little secret gives you all the power to have the charm over your significant other completely. This guide has been used by hundreds of women who couldn't get their true love, and trust me, each one of them has had amazing results. Astro Triggers literally helps you transform yourself into real man magnets overnight by just a few hidden secrets of astrology. This program will completely help you manifest your desires. It is very easy to use and satisfying with 100% accurate results. Here's what you are about to discover inside Astro Triggers. Learn the secret way to make any man mesmerized by you. This little secret will instantly make your man convince himself that you are the one for him and that he is supposed to spend the rest of his life with only you. Learn how to gain a lot of attention from that man, and that little trick will make him be around you all the time. Learn how to convert Playboy into one-woman man so that he can't take his eyes off you. Discover a secret signal that puts any sign man into the commitment mood very quickly. Learn to easily open the windows of his heart so that he can magically start to have a loving life and family with you. Discover the heavenly touch of love secret, because through that he will know that you are the love of his life and a match made in heaven. If you feel unloved and avoided by the love of your life, then the shift of planet secret will reignite his feelings rapidly so that he would be with you. And will also make him obsessed with love. The divine bow secret will help him feel loved and obsessed with your love. The astro worship secret will turn your man into a devoted lover who will wish to prove his love for you over and over again. You will be able to use the ultimate zodiac fascination phrase, which will help you keep him attracted. This activates the biological chase instinct present in every man, which will make him feel drawn and crazy for you. Find the secret called psychic addiction when you feel like your boyfriend or husband has lost interest in you and is unattracted by you. Through the secret, he will reach for you in the middle of the night just to say that he loves you. The zodiac love bind secret will help you get your ex back. This simple trick will leave your ex smitten that he will literally do anything just to have you back again in his life. Discover about the moon magic command secret to keep the lust and Playboy in him away, and much more. Isn't this amazing how great the entire program will work just to help you have the love of your life with respect and truthfulness? I am sure it is going to be great. Let us take a look at the advantages of using Astro Triggers. How is Astro Triggers going to help you? Since Astro Triggers has been designed to help you get the love of your life effortlessly, it will provide you with loads of benefits, such as you will always know what he wants. It will help you make your guy be yours forever. It helps you make him believe that you are his ultimate destiny. It lets him have the hunger for you. It helps you keep him attracted to you so that he wouldn't even want to look at any girl besides you. It helps you convert that unsure commitment guy feelings about marriage. It will trigger the deepest love obsession right into his heart. It ensures that every time he looks at you, he will know that you are the woman he wants to grow old with. It will make you feel as if you are a fortune teller. It will make him believe that marriage, family, and love with you is just the right thing. It helps you make him fall for you in an unimaginable way that his eyes will only look for you. It will fill his mind with thoughts full of you. It will help you get back with your ex again with full respect. Imagine being the constant love of his life and never even have the fear of losing him. How much does Astro Triggers cost? I am sure you must have thought that such a great program would cost you a lot, since love can't be charged and is priceless. But with Astro Trigger, you will not only get amazing discounts, but you will also notice a lifetime of benefits. If you purchase Astro Triggers today, you will have to pay a one-time price of just $37. Earlier, the price of this system was nearly $300, but as Janine, the maker of this program, wanted to bring a huge change into people's lives, she offered a huge discount on every purchase today. Thus, pay only $37.